Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sam here. Today, we're checking out 3 awesome home gadgets that can seriously upgrade your kitchen and daily life. We've got a smart meat thermometer, a self-heating coffee mug, and a magnetic spice rack that'll help keep your kitchen organized. Let's dive right in. First up, we've got the Chef IQ Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. If you love grilling, roasting, or slow cooking, this is a total game changer. This set comes with 3 ultra-thin probes, so you can cook different foods at the same time without any guesswork. It connects to your phone via unlimited range Bluetooth, so you can monitor your food while hanging out with family. It's got quad sensors, 3 inside to track the meat's temperature, and 1 for ambient heat, giving you accurate readings every time. Plus, it's safe for high heat up to 752 degrees, which means you can use it for grilling, smoking, or even deep frying. What I love is the real-time notifications. It reminds you when to flip, rest, or take out your meat. And check this out. A 10-minute charge gives you over 40 hours of use. Overall, if you take your cooking seriously, this is a must-have gadget. Next up is something for all my coffee and tea lovers, the Next Mug self-heating coffee mug. No more lukewarm coffee. This mug keeps your drink at the perfect temperature for hours. You can choose between warm 130 degree, hot 140 degree, and piping 150 degree hour. And it holds that temperature thanks to a built-in long-lasting battery. What's cool is that you don't need an app. Just press the onboard button to set your temperature. No passwords, no reboots, just hot coffee. It's got an elegant ceramic matte finish with an ergonomic handle, making it comfortable to hold. And it comes with a spill-resistant lid and a charging coaster. Honestly, this is perfect for home, office, or gifting to any coffee lover. And finally, we've got a simple but super useful gadget, this magnetic spice storage rack. If you have a small kitchen, this is a huge space saver. It's made of rust-proof material and has a strong magnet, so it sticks securely to your fridge or oven. It's super convenient for easy access to your spices while cooking. You can adjust and move it easily, making it flexible for different setups. Plus, it makes a great gift for anyone who loves to keep their kitchen organized. If your kitchen needs a little more organization, this is a simple but effective solution. Alright, that's a wrap on today's review. These 3 gadgets can really upgrade your kitchen game, whether you're cooking, drinking coffee, or organizing your space. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. If you're interested in checking them out, I've added the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome gadget reviews. See you in the next one. Peace.